Frugal friends, a dirty refrigerator is not frugal. When you have everything jammed in there and stuff's all tucked in the back, you have no idea what you have, what is getting close to needing to be used, what is already past being needing to be used, what is in those Tupperwares, what leftovers do you have, how many coffee creamers do you have? And guys, that's vital. That is vital. There have been times, scary times, when we have run out of coffee creamer. I know I'm in spooky season now, but there are spooky places that even I do not want to go. So, we're cleaning out the fridge. We're going to clean out the freezer. We're going to tidy it all up, get everything sanitized, and take stock of what we have before we cook anything fresh, because you know how that is. You're cooking something new without realizing you have 10 Tupperware of leftovers that still need to be eaten. And also before I pick up my next grocery order, because no one wants to put groceries into that. And that literally happens, in like a week and a half of people not cleaning up after their own messes, which we are working on very hard here at the Frugal Family home, getting everyone to do a better job of being responsible for their own messes and spills. We'll get there. They're not too old to learn. Frugal friends, how do you clean your shelves from your refrigerator? If you have like big American-sized refrigerators. I know we have friends from across the pond and around the world, and welcome. We're so grateful to have all of you. But is there a better way? I don't know. I also want to update you on some projects going on here in the kitchen. So we have torn off a couple of tiles that were loose and needed to be redone. We are on the warpath, guys, of getting stuff done that needs doing. While the floor is torn out, it just seemed the ideal time to go ahead and do the other projects that need doing. The dishwasher has died and it needs to go. And this morning, God help me, a mouse ran from the fridge to the dishwasher. And I had a moment, Frugal friends, as you see that very apropos Mickey Mouse clock back there. A moment of reflection and a moment of consternation and a moment where I was very torn. Mariah and I are heading to Disney World, the home of Mickey Mouse, in 23 days, and I have a mouse in my house and I want it dead. This leads to a confused place. I want the mouse dead. Disgusting. Disgusting. We haven't dealt with a mouse since, I don't think, since we gutted this kitchen. And that's been a long time ago. And obviously, eventually things happen and, they find their way in, those little buggers. But it doesn't get to stay. No. So on the list for this month, is disconnecting and taking out the dishwasher and putting in a new one. And also taking everything out from under the sink and putting in a new base or whatever to the cupboard that is in here. We had a couple of leaks and they really it's deteriorated the base of this cupboard, the floor of the cupboard. That needs to be replaced, redone, whatever, because it's bad. And our floor is torn up. There's really not a better time than now to jump in and do these projects. And Frugal friends, taking care of your home, your biggest financial asset, taking care of the place that you live, the environment in which you spend the majority of your time, if you're like me, taking care of your sanctuary, your castle, that's frugal. Come on. Really, how do we do this? I took out the glass and cleaned that. That was easy enough. But this kind of thing doesn't fit in a regular sink. Should I take it in the shower? Except I don't have a power spray nozzle thing in the shower, which comes in really handy when cleaning this kind of stuff. In the bathtub, maybe, but again, no power sprayer nozzle thing. Ooh, another one on the list. Add this to the list. I have the piece that goes there. We need to tear this piece off because it's bouncy and replace both of them. Add that to the list. And please, any ideas here, guys? I do this every time, and every time that I clean the fridge, I'm like, there's gotta be a better way. but then I forget about it till the next time I clean the fridge. The inside is done. Yay! I can see exactly what we have before I place my grocery order, and I have places to put my groceries once I pick up the grocery order. This feels much more frugal. And now, a short rest, watching some more Midsummer Murders, enjoying my new fall candle, just taking a break, relaxing, enjoying what I have accomplished before moving on to the next part of it. I am going to clean off the fridge, take everything off, give it a real good scrub down, and then we start on the top of the fridge, which I'm ashamed to say it's been at least 6 months. Yeah, geez, at least 6 months since I've looked at what's going on up there, and that's not frugal. So please come on back. We will be doing more deep cleaning, getting the house ready for fall and winter, and trying our best to practice what we preach and actually live a frugal life, showing you what we mean, the other ways of defining frugal that are far beyond dumpster diving. Thanks for watching. We'll see you real soon.